Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can learn web security for free from online sources. Web security is an essential part of cybersecurity as you need to protect websites from attackers. First, open up your browser and head up to portswigger.net. This website is trusted by millions of people. They are also creator of Burpsuite. Alright, so we need to have an account in order to continue. First, we need to use the login page. If you don't have an account, you can create one from there. Enter your email, click register, and they will send you a confirmation mail with password. After creating your account, go back to the login menu and type your email and passwords. Now you're going to be on my account page. We need to go to academic section. Then you will see all the labs menu at here. And we have access to all web security labs. As you can see, there are lots of labs to finish, starting from a skill injection. On the left side, you can select whatever category you want to learn. There are all important web security exploits that you can practice. I did complete some of the labs, so it says solved. Let's solve the lab right now. For example, I'll choose cross-site scripting, first lab. In this part, you can see the name of the lab and your mission. For this one, we need to find cross-site scripting vulnerability in the search bar and call an alert function. If you want to learn more about XSS, you can get more information from there, as this left bar will help you learn things easily. You can see they wrote a whole lot of information with pictures and examples. There is also an entire XSS payload list that you can try. Now, this documentation page exists on all topics, not only XSS. If you have enough knowledge, then you can go back to the page and start the lab. Access the lab by clicking orange button. Now, this website is going to launch the lab. This part will take a while because they are preparing the environment. And there you go, we are on the lab website. This part is your portswigger panel, which will display your status, if you solve the lab or not, and the rest is the place where we will play. So, in this lab, we need to call an alert function. I'll do a simple exercise by calling an alert using script tag. There you go. Note says that I solved the lab, so that's it. You just finished it. That's pretty much easy. Not all of them are easy though. Some of the labs can be very challenging. Also, if you're stuck or anywhere, you can see a solution from there. But remember, cheating from there isn't going to lead you anywhere. If you are confused where to start, I'll also drop a GitHub link in the description where you can follow my path to learn web security easily. That's it for this video. If you want to watch more cybersecurity videos like this, you can check out my page for more. And as always, see you later.